Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Dominion box break number 35. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. Serial number on the box is NE 189822300. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Start with the decoy. First card, we have a base card for the Bruins of David Krejci, number 101 out of 199. And we have an auto rookie card of Joe Finley for the Sabres, 174 out of 199. Up next, we have a short print patch auto rookie card for the Leafs of Joe Colburn, 58 out of 99. We have a nice hit for the Red Wings. It's an autographed patches card of Pavel Datsyuk, card number 31. And we have a nice hit for the Islanders. The patch auto rookie card 6 out of 60 of Calvin DeHaan. Nice hit for the Islanders. We have a jersey card, a gold of Jordan Eberle for the Oilers, 15 out of 25. Nice hit for Edmonton. Then we have a mammoth swatch card of Cameron Gauntz for the Avalanche, 28 out of 50. We have a jersey card for the Sabres of Cody Hodgson, 13 out of 100. Goes to Buffalo. And then we have a base card for the Canadiens of PK Subban, 144 out of 199. And here's the decoy. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.